Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Repair Live, thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2018, and if you guys have a power driver seat, the one with the motor, with the 6-way adjustment, we'll show you how to find the fuse, where the fuse is located for it if your seat does not work. In the meantime, we have more than 200 videos on a Ford Focus guys. Please subscribe. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can by providing free videos and teach you how to fix your car. So what do we need to do now guys? Okay, the fuse for the power seat, it's not located under the hood, it's not located behind the glove box, it's actually located in the trunk of your vehicle, and it doesn't matter if it's a sedan or if it's a hatchback, it's still there. So you need to go ahead and open your trunk lid, and you can see right here now you have one cover on the left side. This cover will need to be removed, okay, so we just pull it out. Now the fuses, and okay, there is only one fuse that we need to check, and it's fuse number 9, 25M fuse, this one here. There is numbers right above the fuse that tells you which fuse it is, and this one is number 9. But if you start from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, again, this is fuse number 9 guys. This is the one for the power seat. So if you need to check it, just pull it out, replace it. Pretty simple guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit guys that subscribe button and see you guys next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.